going on, everybody? Ninja Lee channel here. We got Miss Ninja Lee, Ninja Daddy, and in our last video with Gary and Kristen, Michelle got left behind because of this little switch right here. That's the part that when you kick the kickstand down, it tells the bike that stands down, and then the part on this side is just like that, broke off. So when you kick the kickstand back up, it tells that the kickstand's up. So she bought a used one, a little gruddy looking, but we're gonna put it on, see what it'll do. I believe all it is this little nut here, or bolt, 8mm. You wonder why I ain't using my ratchet wrench? It's because somebody stole my toolbox.
The gnats are out. What about the one that came with the bike? You want to get my toolkit?
What that came with the bike?
Well, what we made for the bike. Our little floki kit.
It's okay. Just one bolt. If it was like 10 or 12 of them, I'd be like, heck yeah, do something.
It goes behind it.
Okay.
They can't see up there.
Just push that little clip, pops right out.
Verse of the day. By humility and the fear of the Lord are riches and honor and life. Proverbs 22:4.
Move in, bend that little thing back.
Or maybe I put the kickstand down a little bit.
This one was taken off with it up because it's still up.
You want my little ratchet? Try her out. Try him out. Put the kickstand down.
No, you just gotta put it in gear. Clutch in, put it in gear. Works. Nope, it just popped out. Uh-oh.
No, look, it's bent now.
Yeah. It's not in that hole right.
You almost
pliers.
broke it. No, that's for you not putting it in the hole right.
You was supervising, you're supposed to be watching.
Look.
Give me some pliers.
I don't know.
In the toolbox, in the truck. Impossible to get in.
These pliers?
Yeah. I think I already bent it back.
Alright,
That sucks. Gotta take it completely loose. Get back on.
Would you like to get the nut? Probably just take it all the way off and then.
Doggone it, shut up. Don't want you supervising no more.
Okay, I won't supervise anymore.
There, it's on. See?
Well, then why'd you need the pliers?
I just went ahead and used the end of the wrench. I got ingenuity. I was impatient. No, like you don't get impatient.
Test it out again.
Ow.
Good job, Loki.
It broke it. Same as your last one. There's got to be something wrong.
It just broke the new one.
It hits there. It's hitting the bolt. The nut. I think your nut's coming loose. Yeah, the nut's freaking. It's about to fall off.
Well, tighten that nut. And for now, I guess. Maybe permanently bypassed.
That's stupid. I guess it's one way to keep your kickstand from falling off when you think it's working.
Yeah. We gotta tighten the nut first. Looks like that one's fixing to break.
I know, I just bent the shit out of it. It don't matter.
You need me to grab another one?
Let's see, and I think it's I should have made two different sizes. I need another 17.
Ow! That hurt me.
In the old school mechanic stuff, there was two different sizes. Nowadays, we'll put the same nut size, same head bolt size. So you gotta have 2 wrenches. There might be some in that red toolbox right there.
Okay, so the little thing goes like in this little nut, like when it goes up and down, and then you said that what now? You said
this peg right here with the slot in it. I don't even know if they can see it.
let's see.
I don't think you can see it. There's on the back side of the peg, the foot peg stand. It's a little peg here with a notch in it, and it goes in there and slides back and forth. The kickstand goes up and down. Well, the nut was coming loose. We didn't realize that because the kickstand been wiggly since we got the bike, and it just barely hit that nut and just snapped right off, like easy.
Well, we can go get the one off of Loki.
Bypass it.
Just bypass it. How are you gonna bypass it?
Like that. That's why I bent it. So it ain't gonna catch the little nubby.
Oh.
See, it's still loose. It's like you would have to take it all the way off and slide a couple washers in there in between it or something. What the hell's on there? Try to tighten it more.
What if you put the kickstand down?
It'll be in my way. Should be enough. Just flip this up and it'll be bypassed. Well, now it's pushing it down by the spring.
Yeah.
Now it's bypassed.
You sure?
Yeah.
That's right. Oh.
Right here.
That's that crack a pooty dog. Here's the other one.
This one more matches this one because it came off the same way. Is this the one that broke off in the parking lot?
No, that's the one that broke off here. Those two are from this one. That one, I don't know where it's at. Probably still in Bay Breeze parking lot, maybe.
Well, I didn't see it under the bike because I looked for it. It might have flung off somewhere when it broke. This little rubber thing's supposed to be on the spring. That's how not to install another safety switch, y'all. You screwed up so you don't have to.
Yes. Make sure the nut's tight before you put one on.
Or figure out why the first one broke. I just figured it was old and just snapped. But turns out there was another cause. I'm gonna try to weld this one.
The pieces in. Where's the little switch? The little one. Oh, it's in there.
Alright, y'all, don't forget our giveaway. It's a short video. Might go for a little ride or something, but don't forget our little SV650 giveaway, Blueberry. Still got him out for grabs.
Might as well lube my chain while we're at it.
And I wasn't talking.
I do that a lot. I interrupt him all the time. And he gets mad. But
Anyways,
I have ADHD.
Don't forget about the giveaway. We need 1,000 subscribers. Like and subscribe. Check the bell and all that good stuff. And let your friends know about Ninja Lee. Look us up on YouTube. It's simple. Ninja Lee. Look for the orange motorcycle. Bam. There you go. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. But we got this bike to give away. Been dying to give it away. We need a lot more subscribers, so help us out. Also, we'd like to have feedback. Don't be afraid to hurt our feelings. We need our feelings hurt. We need to be a better YouTuber for y'all, so we get more subscribers and have better content. And let us know there's something special you'd like to see and stuff like that. Simple stuff. All right, y'all. Peace out.